One evening, Jason stumbled upon a podcast about people making extra income through side hustles. Intrigued, he dove deep into research. He realized that while many were just passively consuming social media, others were making a killing through simple but smart ideas. Jason thought, why not me? In today's fast-paced world, the traditional path of working a regular 9-to-5 job isn't the only route to success. Especially for the modern life, where opportunities are abundant but competition is fierce, thinking outside the box is key. This is the story of Jason, a young man who took a non-traditional approach to earning money, ultimately achieving financial independence by embracing the digital age. Jason was your typical 22-year-old fresh out of college in San Francisco. While his friends were settling into 9-to-5 jobs, Jason felt a restless energy inside. He didn't want to wait years to make decent money or spend his days stuck in an office. He wanted more freedom, flexibility, and control over his financial future. He decided to start small. Rather than following the crowd, Jason saw a niche that most had overlooked, helping local businesses improve their digital presence. With minimal startup costs, Jason began by offering consulting services on social media strategies, designing simple websites, and teaching small business owners how to leverage online tools. He used platforms like Fiverr and Upwork to find clients globally, allowing him to expand beyond his local area. It wasn't easy at first. Jason juggled learning new skills and delivering top-notch work. But soon, word spread, and his side hustle grew. Businesses appreciated his fresh, modern approach, and his earnings multiplied. Jason didn't stop there. As his income increased, he diversified by investing in cryptocurrency and stocks. He took calculated risks, studying market trends and learning from financial experts. While some thought it was too risky, Jason understood that real success came from being willing to take chances where others hesitated. 6 months in, Jason was earning more from his side hustle than most of his friends were making at their full-time jobs. What started as a small gig turned into a thriving consulting business, and with smart investments, Jason was well on his way to financial freedom. Now, Jason spends his time traveling, meeting new clients across the world, and sharing his journey on social media to inspire others. His message to the youth is simple: you don't need to follow the traditional path to success. With the right mindset, the internet opens up endless possibilities to build the life you want. Jason's journey is a powerful reminder that the digital world offers limitless potential for those willing to think creatively and take risks. In a world where opportunities abound, it's not about waiting for the perfect job, it's about creating your own path. For young people in modern era, success can come not from following the traditional route, but from embracing innovation, leveraging technology, and turning passion into profit.